Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the HP Deskjet printer that is not picking up the paper. So you press the printer makes the noise, but the paper just sits there or you get a paper feed error. Now this usually happens because of paper loading problems or dusty feed rollers. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to remove all of the paper from the input tray. So as you can see in this particular image, these are the papers that I've stacked in my printer. So you need to basically remove them from this input tray. After that, you need to first of all check the papers itself. If it is curled, bent, damp, or stuck together, the printer will struggle to grab it. So you need to use a clean, flat paper only. Now, you need to fan the paper stack gently to separate the sheets. Place it back into the tray neatly. Adjust the side guides so that they touch the paper without squeezing it. And this particular thing alone is going to fix the problems for many people. But in your case, if the printer still won't pull the papers, the issue is usually the dirty feed rollers. For that, you need to first of all turn off the printer and you need to unplug it. After that, you need to open the front area of your printer. From inside, it is going to look something like this. So you need to look for the small rubber that you see here inside it. So you need to take a soft cloth, slightly damp with water, and you need to gently wipe this particular roller over here. You need to rotate them slowly as you clean and let them dry for about 1 minute. Now you need to plug the printer back in and try printing again. In most of the cases, the printer will start picking the paper normally. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.